machine I'm using for this is the Antex Fire Writer, which I've had for a few years now. As you can see, I've already burnt in where around the pentagram to make it stand out, stand proud, and I think it looks alright, to be fair. Once the writing's on, it's gonna pull it all together, I think, and balance it out quite well. I think you get the idea with that. So that's all the pyrography done now, and just now time for copper leaf. So here I am just sanding off some of the Hampshire sheen that I put on, ready for putting on the size, which enables the leaf to stick to it, and I wanted to make sure that the size soaks into the wood, which if I'd have left the varnish on, it wouldn't have happened as well. It's quite precise. Pretty much everywhere you put it, it will stick to it, which is the idea. But I'm just taking some extra care here to make sure I don't end up with it where I don't want and have to take it off. Just checking it's nice and sticky, and then leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, so this is copper leaf, which I have worked with before, not for a while, and I was quite excited to put it on here. I have got silver and gold leaf as well, but there's something about copper, certainly with wood. I just think it just feels so warm and looks amazing, and I really find it quite mindful doing this. It's really quite exciting when it starts, as you can see, it starts coming together as you take away the excess. And now just some finishing touches to the board. I don't know why, I just felt it needed something in that outer rim, and it I don't know, it's organic, man, you know, you just sort of feel it as you go along, and I couldn't decide whether to add dots in there to sort of bring it together and balance it, but I thought, yeah, it feels right, let's go for it. So now just to varnish. So here we are, the finished product, which I've got to say, I'm actually quite proud of, to be honest. I think the three medias of like the lathe, the copper leaf and the burning have worked really well, come really well together. And you know what? Yeah, it's been a bit stressful, like, because I'm making it for someone, you know what I mean? It's not just for me. But I've really enjoyed the process, and I'm really chuffed that what was in here has pretty much managed to come out of here, which is cool, man. And you know, I got into wood turning just basically unable to sleep, going down the rabbit hole of watching videos on YouTube, and Chris Fisher, the blind wood turner, man, he is amazing, and I was lucky enough to get a couple of lessons with him, and to be fair, he's someone who can say, if I can do it, you can do it, and hopefully this is testament to he was right. You know, I need more practice and keep going, and hopefully things will get better. Bit like life, really. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and hopefully you got something from it. But yeah, good job done, all in all, and It's now off to its new owner.